See what the indicator got. Indicator don't got shit today. Yeah, I quite don't know. I kind of don't know how to feel right now. We're ES is pitching up while NQ is like literally just staying still. So I'm trying to wait for a clear breakthrough on NQ for me to even like want to go bullish because NQ is obviously bearish at the moment. I mean we're bullish and like I literally told Peyton we're bullish on the higher time frame. So like I'm gonna stick with my high time frame and I'm gonna fade the lower time frame. So right now it looks like we want to
Not
go,
today.
huh?
No, no.
It looks like we want to go low, but I literally believe we're gonna sweep out some lows to go higher. So at least that's what it looks like on NQ. NQ has already took the low that ES is not even close to. I mean, bro, there's no way in hell ES pitches that far down. If we do, we will then that will confirm my bearish order flow. But for me to even get into sales, ES is gonna have to pitch down fucking a shit ton. So it'd just be more practical getting to buys today because ES is already holding above London High. NQ looks like we're gonna form a bullish SMT. NQ took the NQ took London low at the A15 low that ES still hasn't taken, and ES does not look like it wants to take. So if we can form a bullish SMT, and then we can inverse this 5 minute gap right resting above London High, then we can probably get into some buys. But until then, I'm trying to wait for market to calm down a little bit because we are literally fucking moving, son.
In opposite directions too. It's crazy.
Huh? Yeah, bro. I've seen this a million times over. You usually gotta wait for a couple 15 20 minutes of price action. Wait for price to balance out. We'll see both indexes correlating sooner than later. Um, I'm pretty sure we're seeing it Monday. If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, one of these days this week. I know
Yeah.
for sure they've been fighting each other at the beginning
Yeah.
for the first
Yeah.
couple minutes,
Yeah. Yeah. At least
first couple minutes.
that's not, at least you can say that. They literally play tug of war with each other for a little
Yeah.
bit, and then they balance back out. We can actually get some decent price action.
I know, like last month, bro. It fucking every fucking morning when it opened, it's straight one direction. Because I was putting in buy and sell orders just off of the direction it moved in when it opened.
Yeah, bro. I've been seeing this one dude. He's bro. It's not like bro. It's not good whatsoever. I don't know. He like literally he full ports his account right when market opens, and he just
Yeah.
tries to predict which way it's gonna go, and he's been making fucking a bag. But I swear, bro, it's literally luck.
Yeah, it's a 50-50 every morning. So
Yeah.
he's literally rinsing and repeating fucking evals.
Yeah.
If he's not hitting that morning, he just buys another one.
Yeah, but no, I seen his P&L for like the month, and he made like a bag. And I was like, bro, what the fuck? What am I doing?
Well, if he was smart on one, he would put fucking, a buy order in, and on the other one, he'd put a sell order
yeah,
in. So either
yeah.
way.
But no, he was like full part 150K. So he was like
Well, actually,
he literally
there's a
bomb ticket
dirty
like top tick the
he's
move.
putting big money in.
Oh yeah, and you bomb tick or top tick the move, and he would be going in like 15 minis, and then that's like 150. That's 150 micros. So
Yeah, that's crazy.
he was literally
He's
making
making money.
fucking
does he
money.
wait?
All right, so
Good
Right-
indication
so right
for where the
now-
market.
right now we are going to that 5 minute gap. Looks like we're gonna inverse that 5 minute gap. We could
That's something.
if we could take this play, because we're gonna form the SMT. That's gonna be a confluence, and we are holding above London High on ES. If we could start holding above London High on NQ and get a candle closure, then we're pretty green. But looks like NQ went into that 5 minute bearish gap to reject. So we'll just wait. We'll just wait. Plus, we've only been in the market for 8 minutes so far. So we'll just wait and see.
Bro, I should have. Gotta take a shit, bro. I should have went before market. Oh,
Yeah,
You
you
gotta take a
fucked
shit.
up there.
That's funny.
I don't know what it is, but I'm telling you, just like I said the other day, it's something in the damn water, bro.
Something in the water.
There's
That's funny.
no reason we should be shitting like this every morning.
Shit. Fucking, I got good bowel movements.
Dude, I'm trying to make this fucking screen. Oh, fucking
I blame the water, bro, but I also put a Zen pouch in every time I come and sit down right here in front of the computer.
Yeah, I'm always drinking a
Yeah.
I'm always drinking a Red
It's
Bull.
definitely water.
Yeah.
Am I really having this much fucking trouble?
Yo, Thomas, what y'all doing for Mardi Gras, bro?
Bro, that's literally what I just told Peyton, that I truly don't know. I'm like Mardi Gras out. Usually every year I'm always going to New Orleans.
No, you need to move. You need to move, bro. Don't ever tell me. Don't ever tell me you're Mardi Gras. I'll be
Yeah.
89 years old, fucking jumping on
I'd be
somebody's
80
shoulders to
grand.
catch beats.
But no, I like ever since 2020 I've been to New Orleans. New Orleans, it goes from New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Lafayette, Mamou, and then Lake Charles, and then usually you can go to a parade in between.
Yeah, that's how we do too.
So usually I'm like fucking 5 days of just Mardi Gras, like Monday through Saturday, and so I'm like fuck. I literally told Shayla, like, bro, I've been to like literally every Mardi Gras, like literally in fucking Louisiana, like from
Yeah.
from north all the way to the south. All the way from Monroe to Louisiana. I mean, all the way from Louisiana, all the way from Monroe to New Orleans. And I'm like, I would love to literally just chill. And she was like, no, we gotta go to this, that, and this. So I'm pretty sure, if I'm not wrong, is it Saturday? Bro, I can't remember. I know Tuesday for sure. We're going to that parade. Tuesday.
In Lake Charles?
Yeah, Tuesday for sure. We're going to that parade. I don't know, bro. I'll let you know later down the line. Me and you can meet up and shit. You can, Shaylin's actually, I gotta invite people. Shaylin's work is hosting a king cake tasting contest. And they're just literally buying a fuckload of king cakes and letting people taste test them. You get a little paper, put in like the little box, and they add them up after a couple hours, and they see which one's the best king cake, and then they buy that king cake for like the next Mardi Gras or whatever for like their office.
Oh,
Yeah.
we're all invited.
Oh yeah. It's downtown at SWLA Injury Attorney. So
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I think I'm pretty
So don't get hurt.
that's definitely gonna be Tuesday, and yeah, bro, it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna be over there. I gotta be over there. It's Shaylin's work. I know. She's
Could
running.
imagine just like not hanging out with her. You just leave her there.
Well, that's what I probably do. If I see a group of my friends just fucking walking around, be like, see you later.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Yeah. Call my phone or come find me. You got my location.
I'm pretty sure my girl's working Tuesday, so I'll be walking around and
Yeah.
What uncultured fucking people. They don't let her off work for Mardi Gras.
well, for one, she works at she works at Kyoto's, so they don't give a fuck about Mardi Gras. They're making money.
Nah, that's like the same for who's work? Oh yeah, Quez. I'm pretty sure Quez is working Mardi Gras, so it's like the same for Quez.
Yeah, Wally World don't give no fucks neither.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. I know I'm gonna see a lot of people that I know. So I plan on having a good little time. I don't really drink like talking about, so I'm just gonna chill, hang out with everybody, catch up.
Dude, I gotta pay a holiday for fucking Mardi Gras.
You gotta
Yeah, I
work.
usually do too.
Shit, hell yeah.
Yeah,
I get paid holiday too. I didn't expect to do that.
Alright, bro. I'm really like so confused with what Markin wants to do. I truly thought we was gonna go up and
Yeah, it's over.
that gap, and we was gonna go up higher. But I mean, it literally looks like we formed a SMT we formed high time frame SMT, a bullish SMT, and a bearish SMT. So until we get a break of structure above London high or below London low, then we're probably just gonna be cooling on the beat. I mean, honestly, bro, I'll tell you this. Honestly, we can low key risk it. It is a risky move. I mean, y'all can size light, like lose size of 1 micro just to see if you make money. But we keep on going into this 5-minute gap right here and rejecting off of it. We've already went into it 2 times. We've already rejected off of it 2 times. It's instead of ES pulling NQ up, NQ is pulling ES down. So we can literally top ticket going down and taking London low and pitching lower. But it's really up to y'all.
Holy
So,
Yeah, God. Oh.
Yeah, it looks like we're already gonna get a nice little dump. If we can take London low, and then ES could take London low, and we can get a hold below, and then we get like a respected for value gap, something of the sorts, then we can target Asia low, Asia.
What's your London low price on ES?
It is on ES. It is
Yep.
6,973.
Fuck.
So
Bro, I need to be like in front of one of y'all to like actually like hop on one of these paper trades because like I have no fucking clue what I'm doing.
yeah.
Not gonna
trying
lie,
to
put that one
do it.
micro in, bro.
Yeah, I don't know what the fuck micro at.
One micro
Yeah.
can live.
Ooh.
Yeah, it looks like we're holding below London low in Q. If we can get a sweep of London low on ES and hold below, then
I'm
we
gonna click on the wrong shit.
would be perfect to go
So
down.
what's trade? Trading easy. Yeah, that's it.
There we go.
Yeah, we're saying, instead of ES, it looks like NQ leading today. If I could take a guess. So
Yeah,
NQ,
it's definitely dragging ES around.
with NQ leading, then we can take a trade because NQ would take the low, or it'll have more sell pressure. It'll be leading and it won't be lagging.
We
Did
want
you
to
get in?
that last red one,
Did
correct?
you get in, Thomas?
Huh?
Or the green one?
Did you get in?
Huh? No. I'm still just chilling. We do have an entry point at 25,241. That's I think it's inverse of a fair value gap.
Fuck.
My ad alert right there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be
I got
it's
in
gonna be a
it.
15-minute
Be
inverse.
patient. I put that one micro in at 304, so
Yeah.
we'll see what happens.
304. Damn.
Yeah,
Fucking running a bag right now.
yeah. A little 75 on one micro right now.
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Damn. That's pretty good. Yeah. I made $43 on one micro yesterday. Damn, that bitch came all the way back up. It's crazy. No, it's just balancing price out on a lower time frame. Yeah, I mean, I ain't going nowhere. I ain't tripping over one micro. I'll let that bitch run for 150 before I get out. All right.
That's funny.
So y'all's funded accounts, how many micros do they have in them?
So with
I think you go up to 25.
Yeah, with a regular 50K, you can go up to 50 micros.
Okay.
Yeah, it's five mini lots and 50 micros. So that's what we trade. We trade micros is we minimize our losses and we maximize our profits with our risk management strategy. I truly don't believe anybody has a risk management like we do.
I don't think so, man. Like our shit's low key kind of
Fucking gas. I know.
like we all the trader always gets paid.
Yeah.
If our trade plays out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like at the end of the day, we literally minimize our losses and we maximize our profits by taking partials at a 1-to-1, taking partials at the next draw on liquidity. As soon as you take partials at a 1-to-1, you move your stop loss to break even. So at the end of the day, you minimum you're usually taking anywhere from $100 to $200 when you take your first 1-to-1 partial. You're moving your stop loss to break even. So if you do get break even, if you do get stopped out at break even, you're still making $200 and you can look for another trade. And if you're on like a PA and you make $200, bro, you're good for the day. Like your minimum is 150. You're literally honestly good for the day.
Yeah.
So whenever y'all go to get in on a trade, y'all want to set it at the bottom of the other side of the fair value, or not the fair value, you got the fucking liquidity, like where it kills all that liquidity behind it. Y'all want to set it at the bottom of the lowest point. Correct?
What are you talking about? Set what?
Like set where you want to hop in at.
In a way, no. I mean, it all depends on what the setup is and where you want to. Like, it's not like at the bottom of this swing low or whatever. It's I don't know. You just got to find your right setup. You're reading your confluences to find an entry point. Yeah, that's a better way to put it.
Usually there's like two setups we like usually take, and there's a continuation and then there's a reversal. A reversal is whenever we take London high on both indexes. We have some strong rejection off of it. Like if we take London high, we have some strong bearish order flow and we have some strong rejection off of it. And then we try to get in on a inverse for value gap because whenever we go up to take London high, we make for value gaps. So whenever we reject off of it, we're inversing those for value gaps. And so we can get an entry point off of it, inversing those 5-minute for value gaps, 15-minute for value gap, or we can get an entry point off of it respecting 5 minute for value gap, a bearish one. So it will inverse a 5 minute, it will inverse a 5 minute bullish for value gap, and then we'll respect a 5 minute bearish for value gap, and that's what you can call like an A plus setup. And with the A plus setup, if you truly believe in the confluence like I do, I'll size heavy on an A plus setup. I'll size anywhere from 10 to 50, 10 to 15 to even 20. Damn.
Hey,
10.
Quiz.
So, all right,
Quiz said he said we got a setup forming, but this is a risky setup. Anytime we take out a DLL, we could get bullish reaction, causing us to get stopped out, and the R&R is kind of shit. And then he sent me a picture.
Yeah.
But,
Is it that 241 play or 231, 239?
I didn't fucking mark out where he wanted an entry point.
Yeah. So right now we're in obviously bearish order flow. We swept on a low. Looks like we might catch a continuation. We're going to a 15-minute for value gap. Looks like we're going to inverse that 15-minute gap. We do have an entry point at 25,240. If you size correctly, or maybe you try to get filled on the imbalance, you can. So I'm gonna look for an imbalance we might be able to get filled off of. Looks like we get a 3-minute gap. Let's see if it's on both indexes. Yeah, I'm really trying to wait for more confirmation. Like a 5-minute gap would be nice.
Cause it just looked all that was validity. Well, there it is. Hell, you were right.
I took that one micro trade for $100.
Yeah, I took that one. I took a one micro for $100 too.
That 3-minute gap on ES is showing strong rejection.
Yeah, there's a one on. Yeah, so yeah, we can hop in on that 3-minute gap if y'all want to, because we reject. Oh damn, we rejected off of it on NQ and ES.
I'm going with 8 micros. It's probably gonna miss.
You might not get filled just because we already. Yeah, so my entry point is gonna be 25,288. I'm gonna try to hopefully I get filled. I'm gonna run the regular 30-point stop. Actually, I'm gonna run a tight stop loss. I'm gonna run a 16-point stop. It's gonna be resting at the most. It's gonna be resting at that for value gap. So if we disrespect that 3-minute gap, I'll only be losing $300. I'm going in with 10 micros.
What's your stop loss set at?
My stop loss at 25,292. I might not ever get filled, honestly. Looks like we end up coming to respect that for value gap to pitch low. We might have to just wait.
I got in at 267. Hopefully that's decent enough.
Yeah.
Looks like it's gonna come touch yours though.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Hopefully. Yep. Oh, you're fucking lying. Don't do that shit to me again. Alright, we got filled. So I got filled at 25,288. My stop loss at 25,292.
What's your 1-to-1?
My 1-to-1 is gonna be 30 points, so it's probably gonna be. My 1-to-1 is it's gonna be tight as shit. My 1-to-1 is at 25,269.
He said his was 30.
25,269. But y'all can take y'all's partial at a 1-to-1. I'm gonna take my partial at a 2-to-1. And
let me take my 1-to-1.
And yeah, when we hit that 2-to-1, I'm gonna take my partials, start running everything at break even, so I have a little bit of breathing room. Don't let me do that.
Alright, got partials taken.
Fuck yeah. Partials taken. Buyback. Okay.
I'm running to break even.
Not again.
Still got 4 in.
So we're.
Yeah, I'm trying to. You might end up getting waked out at break even. So I'm gonna try to let it breathe a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it breathe.
Hopefully we
Oh, I see what's going on.
I got
Yeah.
full TP at Asia low, but realistically, I'll probably just take partials there. I just got my full TP right now set at Asia low.
What's your low price?
25,205. 25,205.
Alright.
So I'm actually gonna only buy back 3 of my contracts there. So 5, yeah, 3. I'll still be flying 2 micros.
One.
So what do you set your stop at?
My stop is at 25,304. As soon as I hit my 2-to-1, which hopefully will be the next couple of seconds, I'll be running everything at break even, and yeah. So it looks like we're finishing my 2-to-1. But I'm just trying to let my trades breathe a little bit. That's it. Right now we're floating like 500.
Oh my fucking god. You press the space bar? No, I pressed the arrow down. I don't know why it does. I think that's the most
we're getting a
retarded
nice little
ever
pitch
seen.
down on ES. If we can, bro, keep the push. Yeah, keep the push. We keep the push like we are right now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm finna hit my 2-to-1. So when I hit my 2-to-1,
Me too.
I'm gonna take 50% of my position. Run everything at break even. Yeah, so currently right now, yeah, I'm running everything at break.
2-to-1 taken out.
Yeah, 2-to-1 taken out. Putting everything at break even.
On this one, because this is trade.
And now we're floating risk free. I'm taking more partials at Asia low.
Yes, sir.
And I'm not taking my full position out at Asia low. Mind that. I'm only taking partials.
I still got 1 contract in.
Yeah, so I got 5 contracts in right now. I've already secured 7. No, I've already secured $700. So
this is what they told me whenever
I can't cap. I don't know how much, but a little bit.
Yeah, I've already secured my $700. Run everything at true break even, and I'm taking another 50% of my position. So I'm in with 5 micros. I'm taking 3 micros out at Asia. At Asia low. Yeah, at Asia low, and then I'm gonna
have my full take profit at these equal lows right above Asia low. I'm about to get smacked. Boom, fully out of there.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for Asia low to get hit at 206. Run everything at break even.
Hey, you trailing your profit, or you're running break even? You're running a true break even.
I'm running at true break even.
Okay. I only had 2 micros in, bro, so I couldn't crush it.
Oh, bro, you're fucking lying.
What'd you do? Clip that shit, Thomas?
Huh?
I said, what'd you do? Clip that shit.
Yeah, bro, you're fucking lying. I've been recording this whole time, and it stopped my recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to catch some more fucking shorts for today. I made 5 of them yesterday. I'm trying to put at least 5 of them out a day, and I'm gonna start recording videos of myself.
Doing what?
Explaining just like for value gaps and like strategy and shit on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. But that's fucking wild, bro. If we end up actually not if it was not recording, I'm probably gonna lose my fucking marbles. Okay, but we just hit Asia low, or fuck, bro. We're like literally finna touch Asia low. If we touch Asia low, I'm taking out 3 of my micros, running everything. Yeah, so we still got Asia low. I secured $1,200 for today. We're gonna move everything. We're gonna go on the 1 minute. Move everything to the most recent fair value gap.
Yeah.
Above the most recent fair value gap at 25,252. We're still floating about 350 with 2 micros, and I'm gonna take more partials at the next drawn liquidity, which is 25,147. I'm gonna take out one of my contracts, and then I'm gonna take full TP at 25,103. a nice little play. Let's see how far that will have to go. So currently, right now, this is a 100-point play. If we go to my full DP, it'll be a 190-point play. Won't be a bad morning. But we shall see. We shall see.
That's a good trade, man. That's a good trade. Fuck with that.
Yeah, bro. I honestly thought we wanted to go up today.
Jackson, did you take that trade?
Fuck no, man.
What the fuck?
Fuck
I
no,
don't know what
man.
the fuck.
Why not?
Bro, what I'm glad about
Dude,
is
I don't know, bro.
it,
Like, I don't
came,
know.
it
I'm
came in
looking at the
quick,
charts
man.
right now. I don't know what the fuck happened.
You got scared or something, or?
No, like, I got my sell limit and everything, bro. And I pressed sell, and what the fuck? It's
That's
still like,
Yeah.
I
yeah,
don't
no,
know. I think it's fine.
that's wild. Cause bro, that's one thing I was so glad about. Cause we pitched low, and I truly did not think it was gonna come smack my sell limit again, and we ended up doing that. So it wasn't a bad little thing. But we're just floating now. We can just leave fucking set and forget.
Let's say good shit.
Y'all can't see me, can y'all?
Huh? What do you say?
Can y'all see me or no?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
My bad.
Okay. Looks like we end up sweeping Asia low. We're getting some bullish rejection off of it. Hopefully, we're just coming to fill for barrier gap on a lower time frame. If not, then I'll still probably be securing about $1,400 for the day. Yeah, that's probably gonna be our one trade for today. If I end up seeing another really good setup, then we'll take it. But if not, then we'll just be done for today.
Thomas, you don't move your profits to like your TP1 after it hits your TP2.
No. I just try to move it where the trade would be disrespected at.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like right now the trade was finna get disrespected because it's finna disrespect a 1, 2, and 3 minute gap. So if we end up disrespecting those gaps, then that'll be telling me that we don't want to be bearish no more. We're trying to flip bullish.
Right.
But yeah, we end up forming 5 minute and 30 minute and 15 minute bearish SMTs. ES took the high out that NQ didn't. We actually formed them on top and bottom. We ended up forming a bullish and bearish SMT. But with us taking these lows out, we end up disrespecting that bullish one and respecting that bearish SMT. So there's my confluence for taking this trade is bearish SMT, you know, 5 minute, I think 15 minute too. Yeah, 5 and 15 minute, and all lower time frame was showing that we were bearish. We wanted to go lower. NQ started the pitch down before ES did. We took low and low. We held below low and low, and NQ held below low and low on ES, and we got in on a respected bearish value gap to take Asia low.
What'd you go in with?
10 micros.
Hell yeah, I went in with 8.
Yeah. So I had just about three to four confluences. So I sized. I didn't set us because if I only have like 1 to 2 confluences and I'm not that like confident about the trade, then I'll go in with like 5 micros, like 3 to 5 micros. But since we had 3 confluences, pushing 4 confluences, I went in with 10. Because it'd be an A plus setup if both indexes were correlating, but it was just an A setup, so it's not an A plus. But with both indexes correlating, we had a A setup, and it played out for 100 points. Can't really I did exactly what I wanted to do. I literally wanted to go take Asia low, and that's exactly what we did. I think that we still have room to go lower. Like Asia, I mean, ES still hasn't taken out London low, so that's why I'm really still floating this trade. Is because we still have room to go lower. That's crazy, bro. It got one tick from hitting my trailing stop loss, and we fucking end up pitching low. That's actually funny as fuck.
You still floating?
Yeah, I'm still floating 350. Bro, bro. Damn, when I had this screen fucking shared, damn. That's why y'all was asking I was wondering why I was asking all them questions.
Oh, I mean, I don't really have it pulled up, to be honest.
I was gonna say, bro, I was literally sharing the wrong screen all morning.
The boys, I'll join back in class.
All right, brother. Have a good one, brother.
Is there...
I hope Pedro took that play.
Yeah, me too. Where's he at? He not in the car no more?
Nah, he's in there. He must be on a car or something, but he's not talking. He's got his mic muted.
Hey Tommy, I accidentally kicked myself. Quick question: how do you have all these markers for buy side and sell side liquidity?
That's the secret sauce the premium members get.
So I would get that if I paid for it.
Yeah, you get you get the secrets. Only the premium members really know what it is. It's
How much is
the indicators?
Yeah, fuck it, because I mean I gotta pay for it, correct?
Yeah. Indicators is just about $75 a month, I believe.
I mean that's not terrible, actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's not.
That's what I have them. I mean, like if you're averaging out, like I average out just about like 25K every 2 weeks or like every month. I've been doing that for like 6 months now, and so I will fucking pay $75 for me to be. I can wake up.
100%.
I can wake up at 8:25, and if I just have like I can look at the overview of the market and I can already confirm my bias for today. I can confirm everything I need to, and I wouldn't be able to do that if I did that. For me to be able to mark out all my session highs, all my session lows, my buy side liquidity, my sell side liquidity. I mean, it's more than that. Like it marks out the equilibrium, the session highs and lows, the macro timer, the order flow, the SMT. If SMT gets formed, it gets marked out. Order blocks and breaker blocks, liquidity for value gaps, new day opening gaps, and new week opening gaps. And there's more. Like there's there's a couple more. Did Brett fucking kick himself again? That's funny. And there's but no, I would not be able to do that if I didn't have the indicator. Bro, we keep on doing the same thing, bro. We keep on pitching up highs, fuck, and almost touching my trailing stop loss and respecting it and going low. Bro, if we bang out this play, that'd actually be pretty funny. Bro, it keeps on. Why does it keep on doing that shit? It keeps on restarting my screen capture on the stream. All right, that's a nice pitch down we wanted. Just keep on going. Keep on going.
What's your full TP?
My full TP is sell side is 25,103. It's some lows I think, or actually.
So you don't have no consistency rule?
Huh?
You don't have a consistency rule
No.
on your broker?
No. No, I'll go.
Yeah, I need to get on your broker, man.
Yeah, it's my fun in futures. I can request 10K daily, and why do I have these marked out?
What the fuck am I doing on Apex?
It's just a good broker. Apex is
Yeah, I know.
a good broker to
I
have.
know. It
But
ain't bad.
yeah, but no,
But
I can request 10K daily, and no consistency rule. I can make as much money as I want to. And, one sec,
yeah, is that so?
I can make as much money as I want to, and I won't ever have to like fucking catch that shit in the stick because of it.
Yeah.
I mean, you can make fucking as much money as you want on Apex. It'll just prolong your payout period. Like if you like bang out a fucking 10K day, then you have to just make like $500 like every single day for you to request your payout in like 2 weeks.
Right.
So like the 30% consistency rule, it's not like it fucks you. It don't fuck you that bad at the end of the day. You just gotta.
Okay. So you think I'll be all right with having like a $500 profit target a day?
Bro, yeah, bro. You can
Okay,
if you make $1,000 for you to hit your 30% consistency. If you hit $1,000 Monday, for you to hit your 30% consistency rule, you just gotta fucking make $200 for the rest of the week, and you're straight.
Bet.
Yeah. But
So my biggest trading day right now is like 625. What would my 30% consistency rule be off of that?
bro, it'd be like fucking $100 a day. If you only clear like $150 to $200 a day, then you're straight. You can fucking request your 2K payout. Um, but that's what I like. Whenever I was telling myself like with Apex, the only thing really good about it is like you can make one really good day, and then you can just average out fucking literally little ass money. Like you can like I said, you can make $1,000 Monday, and then if you just make you just cleared literally $200, which really ain't shit.
Right.
Yeah,
No,
you
at
literally
all.
just cleared $200 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Then you hit your you will be what fucking $1,800, and
Yeah.
you have $1,800, and the next Monday you just literally gotta make $200 again. Fucking you've cleared a 2K payout. I mean, realistically, you can make your fucking 2K payout, and yeah, I mean that's what I plan on doing. I don't run Apex.
Well, it'd be 1,500 for me since I'm still on that 25K account.
Yeah, bro. That's even better then. Like
Yeah.
then you can request your payout in 1 week. You can literally like I said, make that like $1,000 fucking Monday, clear $200 for the rest of the week. You hit your 30% consistency rule, and you'll be straight. But with like with the 2K payout, what I plan on doing at least is uh I plan on making really good money one day, like fucking 1,000, two grand, whatever it is, and then
Right.
Monday, and then Tuesday we'll be making the minimum, which is I think like $150, $200. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the next week following that, literally doing the same thing, making the minimum $200. So I'm a little bit above my buffer, and I can request that 2K buffer and still have plenty of buffer, plenty of like drawdown, and
Right.
yeah, that's what I plan on doing. Whenever I do run Apex accounts, it's just gonna be a little hard for me because like bro, I've been averaging out fucking $1,000 a day for like probably honestly like 2 or 3 weeks now, where I'm usually making about $1,000 a day. Yellow. Mhm. I wonder why. I was wondering because I was in that conversation. You left. I was like, oh, you must have got kicked or something. Yeah. No, I don't know. It usually it sometimes does that because there's too many people in the call. Because it's only like three right now. But no, it does that with Quez. Quez will be like, bro, you kicked me, and I'm like, no, bro, I'm telling you, I didn't kick you. Like, bro, like we just got it'll literally tell you like we got too many people on the call, you can't talk. And then if you try to talk, huh? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Did you don't have the Google Meet link? the Google Meet link? You should. So how do you usually join? Oh, for real? Yeah. I'll make it free real quick. You should be able to join back. All right, I got you. Yeah, you're straight. Let's see. It should be updated now. Just refresh your browser. But all right, later, brother. All right. Bro, it looks like we don't want to go down anymore. Looks like we're having a nice rejection off of the taken. I was really hoping we wanted to go take Asia low on the indexes and go take Asia low and go take the previous New York low, but does not look like it. Damn. I low key, you know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm gonna run my shit at true break even because I've already made $1,200 today. I'm gonna run my shit at true break even so I don't get wicked out. And if we end up going respect this 15-minute gap, then it would just play out perfectly for me.
Okay, yeah. Back on what we were talking about, I don't know if you're like in the middle of something or
No,
not.
you're straight. I was just telling everybody what I was doing.
Yeah. Okay. So you have all this stuff on here. You pay $75 a month for it.
Yeah,
And it has literally everything.
Yeah. Literally, I mean, I was telling I think fucking Peyton this that when I first started, I understood a good bit of the confluences, but with it marking it out automatically for me, it made me understand them more. Like it made me, I'll tell you, but it literally progressed me probably 50 to 80% more because it mark it out automatically. So eventually, I didn't need currently right now I don't need the indicators, but at first I almost relied on them because I didn't know what an order block looked like. I mean, I knew what a SMT for value gap, marking out the lows, but I didn't know what like an order block looked like, and I didn't know what buy side and sell side like truly look like. Now I do, but at first I didn't. So the indicators they just help me understand everything with a more like clearer view on it. And but no, what I was getting to is like right now I can hop on the charts at fucking the market opens at 8:30. I can hop on the charts at 8:25 and be fucking uh and be straight. But I mean, if anybody else would do that without the indicators, bro, they would literally fucking be overstimulated as shit. Because you gotta mark out your sessions, you gotta mark out your highs and lows, you gotta mark out your buy side liquidity, your sell side liquidity, and then you gotta mark out all like the for value gaps, the order blocks, breaker blocks, and you gotta look for SMTs, everything like that. And me, I always gotta go on each time frame. And if we have like a 1 hour gap, I'll always just mark it out just so I see it on a lower time frame. Like we have a 1 hour gap, I'll go mark it out just so I can see it on the 5 minute, and I'm like, okay, we're going into a 1 hour gap right now. But yeah,
Oh yeah.
it's pretty fucking straight. I use it quite a bit, honestly.
Dude, yeah, that's
Quez makes fun of me because I mean, I can give you some free indicators that is just about as good. Like it'll mark out your session highs and lows. It'll mark out your for value gaps for you, and they're free. But I mean I love the indicators I have right now. But I tell everybody that I won't switch.
I feel like it's kind of a cheat code almost.
It really is, honestly. Yeah, it definitely gives me an edge on the market compared to other people.
Once I like do it a few times and like because I want to just paper trade for now until I can figure everything out,
Yeah.
and then I want to get
that's
it funded.
That's what we tell everybody in I don't think free education kind of like emphasizes it, but like we like really try to tell people like the best way to do it is go through the free education. If you're not like a paid member, go to even our paid members, like bro, go through our education, go through the free education tab, watch every video you can possibly, trade demo from anywhere from 2 weeks to a month, and then as soon as you like start getting confident and you're willing to lose money, then get a funded account. But until then, trade demo. Because whenever like Quez will tell you this more times than often, the best way to look at when you put a trade, the best way to look at it is you've already lost that money. Like you better be fucking good. Like you better because what you gotta you gotta trust your stop. You gotta trust your stop loss, and you gotta trust your take profit. Because if you don't trust your stop loss and trust your take profit, then you'll end up fucking minimizing your wins. You minimize your profits. Like there's some trades that I mean you just get you're losing like $100-$200, and you're like, oh, I don't want to lose that. When realistically, it's literally you're negative $100 and $200 because it's going up. It's going up to respect, a 5 minute gap, a 30 minute gap. You just didn't have a good entry point. It's going to respect a higher time frame gap, and your trade's gonna play out. You just gotta let your trade breathe a little bit. And so that's what I really tell everybody. That at the end of the day, the best way to do it is whenever you put a trade in, you've already lost that money. You gotta just literally come to agreement with yourself that you've already lost that money, and you gotta be perfectly fine with it. Because if you're not, you'll end up you'll minimize your profits, you'll minimize your wins, and you'll be mad at yourself at the end of the day. Because that's how I was. Like I'd over risk, so I wasn't okay with losing the amount of money that I put on the table. I'd over risk, and so whenever I did take that loss, or when I did so it would be like I run a 30 point stop loss, and I'd be negative like 15 points, negative 10 points, and I'm okay. I don't want to lose this amount of money. I can't lose this amount of money, and I'd literally close my trade out, and then my trade would play out perfectly if I stuck to my stop loss. And I'd literally get so mad at myself. And at the end of the day, that was my bad. Like that was on me. Like that was a fucking error that it was me 100%. And so that's why we have some of the best risk management. And we tell people like when you put a trade on the table, it's either gonna hit your stop loss or gonna hit your or it's gonna hit your take profit. Because at the end of the day, you've already lost that money. And if you don't see it like that,
You gotta be ready.
Yeah.
And
Cause I've been in everybody's shoes. If you don't see it like that, then you're really gonna fucking minimize your wins, minimize your profits, be mad at yourself, be like, oh yeah, I literally like you're gonna get FOMO, you're gonna start revenge trading. Like there's just a lot of things that lead into it. And so if you just having good risk management and being disciplined, and you've already you see it as you already lost that money when you put that trade on the table, when you put that amount of money, put that amount of risk on the table, then it'll help you out fucking tenfold. But no, bro, it looks like we came up. We ended up respecting that 15-minute gap. Looks like we're in a nice little pitch down. I'm glad I moved my my stop loss to true break even so I could let it breathe a little bit. I want to bang out full TP on this play. That'd be pretty cool. Yes is respecting that 15-minute gap pretty heavy.
Thomas, you're a G for all that information, by the way.
Yeah.
Because I'd have to go beat up YouTube about it. I'd have to find somebody. I'm glad I can just call and be able to talk.
That when I tell people at the end of the day, everybody in this call has been in each other's shoes before. Like we've all had these same mindsets on things. We've all been in the same exact situations at each other. So and the best way to learn is literally just fucking ask. Like you can go watch hundreds of hours of YouTube videos whenever you can have a 5-minute conversation and understand it probably honestly better.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Well, all right, boys. If y'all want to get off the call, bro, you have fucking full rights to. We're done for today. That was the clear direction. We caught the move today. That was the clear,
that's the only trade I'm taking today.
yeah. That was the clear direction we wanted to go to. We had a really good entry point. We had some really good. I had some really good profits today. Hope y'all had some really good profits today.
Yes, sir.
We will be back at it tomorrow. But if you take any more trades today, I will tell y'all this now. Y'all are fucking duds. Like, bro, we caught the move today. There's no reason to keep on trading. Even if you don't like your profits for today, bro, come back tomorrow.
All right, then. Well, y'all have a good day.
All right, brother.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll catch you later.
Yep.
All right, y'all. Take it easy.
All right, brother.
Hey, Thomas.
Yep.
Do you know of anything that I can look up for literally a test on just just like someone has made like an actual test for it, you know, something like that.
For trading?
Yeah, like I guess like uh being able to find a fair value gap and
Yeah.
order
Yeah.
block.
Now we have quizzes in the app. I could give you access to them.
I get that.
Yeah, we have quizzes on literally all that because one big thing that I was big about is I don't want you literally like our me and quiz education. I don't want you literally flying through it and not understanding it. And so we literally make them understand by implementing quizzes. Literally after you go
Oh,
after you go
Quest
through,
trading education.
huh?
Quest trading education, is it that?
Huh? Yeah. There's. Do you have access to it?
No.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's your education for the paid members. I'll give you access to the quizzes, because after each lesson we have, there's a quiz just so you understand it, and you have to score 80% to get past it. And so like it's either you're understanding it or fucking because there's just no there's you're understanding it because there's no way you're able just to fly through it. Like you can fly through as much as you want, but you'd have to restart that lesson before you go to the next one.
Okay. Well, they have a free one right here. I'm gonna click on this one and check it out.
The free education is literally it's a good bit of the education that's in the Discord. We gotta add more to it, but that's what I tell everybody. That's the exact videos I watch to be a trader. Like all those instead of like we minimize the bullshit. Instead of like I watch like I said hundreds of hours of videos, and those videos in the free education are on the only videos that actually help me. And so I won't we only have like literally about we only have about half the videos in there. We are adding more and more every single day. But if you really if like you did you already go to the free education on the Discord?
Wait, what happened? Where'd you go? Something just shit the bed.
Did you already go to the free education on the Discord? This fucking dude here. All right, ladies and gents, bro. Y'all seen what we did today? I don't know why my screen capture keeps on fucking up, bro. That shit's gonna blow me. But yeah, we caught a decent move today. Hopefully y'all watch the trading recap. We'll have some shorts put out for y'all. But all right, we will see y'all tomorrow if there's anybody on this thing. But we will see y'all tomorrow. This is Louis. We're 4 for 4 this week. Like, bro, you really can't get better than this. We've been spitting out at least one trade a day that runs 100, 200 points. So y'all stay safe.